consciousness and the healing of the self, and nature is the form and the fluidity that we are. You come back into relationship with your nature and heal who you are, what you are. And I guess I mean to say, all the bullshit that you take to be who you are and what you are, it lets go of you. That's healing. And then you observe from the state of witness, from the state of experience now, where all power resides now, here, in you, the creator that witnesses the unfoldment of your experience of everything that vibrates. Can you hear the birds right now? Your movement, your sound, your light dances, ripples upon the water that is the fabric of the universe. And you are the creator of all of that. There is nowhere for you to go to find that. You are it. It is you. And you can stop everything. Because nothing is needed. Nothing is missing. You are no thing. I call this awake to different ways of being in relationship with me, which is all. And that is how I want to dance, because that is aliveness. It is beauty and motion, and it is tragedy, and it's crumbling. It's all of the chaos and creation, in breath, imbued, in body, in spiritus.